Hello students. In the last class we have finished mathematics part of the portion. From today onwards we'll start statistics part. In statistics you have 3 chapters, and if you are not good in maths, only by studying statistics you can pass easily. So let's start statistics part of the portion. Before starting the statistics syllabus, we have to go through the basics of statistics. Okay. So first is formation of frequency distribution. What is frequency distribution? Frequency distribution is a systematic arrangement of data according to the observation by dividing them into different class intervals. Now this is a discrete distribution which you can see on the screen. So discrete distribution, marks of 25 students are given. Marks are 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 25, 25, 30, 40, 20, 20, 25, 25, 50, 15, 25, 30, 40, 50, 40, 50, 30, 25, 30 and 35. So by observing the data which is given, I can say that marks obtained by 25 students are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 is not there, so I'm not writing 45, and 50. Okay, these are the marks obtained by students. So I am going to make frequency distribution table. Okay, so marks I have written. Now I have to compute how many students got 10 marks, how many students got 15 marks. So the best way is, so 10, so beside 10 I'll put 1. Okay, 20, 20, there are two 20s, so beside 20 I'll put 2 lines. Then 30, so beside 30 I'll put 1. Then 40, so in 40 I'll put 1. Then 25, 25, so 25, 25, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40 and 20, 20, 25, 25, so I'll put 2 lines. 50, 15, 25. So now this is the fifth time, so I'll just put a line like this. Okay, then 30, 40, 50, 40, 50, 30, 25, 30 and 35. So every time the number comes, you have to put 1. Okay, for the fifth number you will just put a sliding line. Okay, you will cut the 4 lines. Okay, this is how you make a frequency distribution table. So when you do it like this, the chances of doing mistakes becomes minimum. So now beside 10 there is 1 line, so you will write 1. Beside 15 there is 1 line, you will write 1. Beside 20 there are 4 lines, so you will write 4 because 4 students got 20 marks. Beside 25, this is 5 and this is 1, so 6. Okay, so 5 students got 30 marks and 1 student got 35, 4 students got 40 marks and 3 students got 50. So when you total this has to be 25 because it said that there are 25 students and there are marks of 25 students, right? So when you add 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3, it has to be 25. Okay, this is how you make a frequency distribution table. This is discrete distribution where there is only one number. Okay, this is called as frequency distribution. This is called as discrete distribution. Okay, similarly, we will do one more problem. We will make discrete distribution for 50 students. Now, let us observe the marks first. That is the first step. So, the marks are 60, 65, 60, 50, 60, 60, 50, 50, 90, 30, 100, 80, 30, 95, 80, 10, 70, 20, 20, 55, 45, 70, 80, 90, 30, 40, 40, 40, 75, 50, 70, 50, 70, 90, 70, 60, 50, 30, 80, 60, 0. 70, 60, 60, 20, 50, 70, 20, 30, 60. Okay. So most of the numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. There are few numbers which are divisible by 5 like 95 and 65 and 55 and 45. Correct. So 95, 65, 75, 55, 45. These are the numbers which are divisible by 5 and remaining all the numbers, almost all the numbers are divisible by 10. Right? And there's one number which is 0. So I'll just start writing. So 0, then 15, 5 is not there, 25 is also not there, 35 is also not there, 45 is there. Okay. So my marks column, I'll write like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 is there, right? Then 50, 55 was also there, and then 60, 65, 70, 75, right? 95 is there. After 75, 80, 90, 95 and 100. Okay, there's one student who scored 100 also. Fine. Now start tally bar. Okay, so first number is 60. So beside 60, I'll just mark. Okay, then 65, again 60, 50, now 60, 60, 50, 50, 60, 60, 50, 50. Okay, then 90, 30. Okay, then 100. 80, 30. 80, 30. Then 95, 80. 95, 80. Then 10, 70. 10, 70. Then 20, 20, 55. 20, 20, 55. 45, 70, 80, 90. 45, 70, 80, 90. Then 30, 40, 40, 40. 30, 40, 40, 40. 75, 50. 75, 50. 70, 50. Okay, the fifth number. So fifth number I have to cancel the 4 lines. Okay, fifth time 50 has come, so I'll cancel all 4 lines. Okay, so this means 5 times. Then 70, 90, 70. 70, 90, 70. Then 60, 50, 30. 60, 50, 30. 80, 60. 80, 60. Then 0. Then 70, 60, 60. 70, 60, 60. 20, 50, 70. 20, 50, 70. 20, 30, 60. 20, 30 and 60. So we have finished the second column, which is tally bar. Okay, now let's count. 1 student got 0, 1 student got 10, 4 students got 20 marks, 5 students got 30 marks, 3 students got 40 marks, 1 student got 45 marks, 7 students got 50 marks, 1 student got 55, 9 students got 60 marks, 1 student got 65, 7 students got 70 marks, 1 student got 75, 4 students got 80, 3 students got 90, 1 student got 95 and 1 student got 100. Okay, when you total this, you will get, because there are 50 students, the total has to be 50, otherwise you have done something wrong. Okay, so when you add 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, it has to be 50. Okay, so this is how you make discrete distribution table. Next one is continuous distribution table. Okay, under continuous distribution table there are two types. One is inclusive and one is exclusive. In case of inclusive, what we do is we make a table like this. Now 0 to 9, then 10 to 19. Okay, this is the way you make inclusive class. 20 to 29. In this you include 0 also, and you include, now in this you will include 0 as well as 9. Okay, so if there is 0 you will include here, if there is 9 you will include here only. Okay, so that will be called as inclusive distribution table. Okay, and exclusive distribution table, in that you will exclude the upper limit. So in case of exclusive distribution table, the table will be some like this. Now 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this what happens, if 10 number appears, so where you will include, in this column or in this column? Okay, so the upper limit you will exclude. So here in the first class, which you can see, which is 0 to 10, in that actually it is 0 to 9.99. Okay, and 10 you will include in the second class. Okay, so when you make a continuous distribution table, the table looks like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Okay, this 0 is lower limit and this 10 is upper limit. So in the second class 10 is lower limit, 20 is upper limit. Okay, so let's start. Let us observe the number first. The numbers are 5, 8, 12, 15, 20, 22, 35, 55, 60, 65, 70, 78, 82, 18, 28, 38, 48, 40, 60, 80, 90, 98, 9, 2, 3, 5, 15, 18, 13, 12. Okay. So numbers are till 80, no 98. So my class will be from 0 to 10 to 90 to 100. Okay. I'll make a exclusive class. Okay. Why we prefer exclusive class and not inclusive class is because suppose I am making inclusive class. Okay. 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. This is example of inclusive class. In inclusive class, I'll include 9 also and 0 also. Right. But if in the observation, suppose the number is 19.5. So where I'll include? I cannot include here also and I cannot include here also, because here till 19 only you will include, and in this class you will start from 20. So if there is any number which is between 9 and 20, that you cannot show it, right? Suppose if the number is 9.8, so in the first class it is 0 from 0 to 9, and in the second class it is from 19. So if the number is 9.8, you don't have space, right? So always we prefer exclusive class and not inclusive class. So today I'll start with exclusive class. Okay. Okay. So my exclusive class will be from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Because I prefer exclusive class, I told my reason also. Okay, so I have made exclusive class. Okay, so first number is 5, it will come here because 0 to 10, between 0 to 10 it is. Second number is 8, it will also come here. Third number is 12, from 10 to 20. 15, again 10 to 20. 20 you will include here in 20 to 30. Okay, in case of exclusive class, you will exclude the upper limit. Okay, you exclude upper limit, you include lower limit. So 10 will come in second class, 20 will come in third class. So 20, in 20 to 30 I'll include 20. Okay, I believe everybody is able to understand. So yeah, next is 22. 22 is between 20 to 30. Next is 35. 35 is between 30 to 40. 55 is between 50 to 60. 60 will be 60 to 70. Okay. 65, 60 to 70. 70, 70 to 80. 78, also 70 to 80. 82, 80 to 90. 18 will be 10 to 20. 28 will be 20 to 30. 38, 30 to 40. 48, 40 to 50. 40, 40 to 50. 60, 60 to 70. 80, 80 to 90. 90, 90 to 100, 98, 90 to 100, 8, 0 to 10, 2, again 0 to 10, 3, again 0 to 10, 5, again 0 to 10, 15, 10 to 10 to 20, 18, again 10 to 20, 13, 10 to 20, and 12 is also 10 to 20. Okay, so this is how you make continuous distribution table, and this is exclusive class where you exclude the upper limit. Okay, the first number is called as lower limit and the second number is called as upper limit. In exclusive class you exclude the upper limit, in inclusive class you include both upper limit as well as lower limit. Okay, in case of exclusive class you exclude the upper limit. Now let us write the frequency. So frequency is 6, 7, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so how many people are there? 30 students. Okay, so the total has to be 30. So these are the marks of 30 students. So 6 students got between 0 to 10, 7 students got between 10 to 20, 3 students got between 20 to 30, and so on. Okay, now let us see the next question. Okay, weekly wages of 40 workers is given below. These are wages, so these are not marks, wages. Okay, weekly wages of 40 workers is given below. The wages are, just look the wages which is there, 83, 75, 76. Okay, using class interval of 5, classify the wages in frequency distribution. Okay, so if you see the lowest number here looks 72. Is there any other number which is lower than 72? I can't see. Okay, so I'll start, because using class interval of 5, I'll start from 70. So my class interval will be from 70 to 75, then 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100. Okay, there is 103 also, so 100 to 105. So this is my class interval. Okay, so let's start. First number is 83. 83. So 80 to 85. Then 75. 75 will be 75 to 80. 86. 85 to 90. Then 85. 85 to 90. Then 80. 80 to 85. 85, 85 to 90, 80, 80 to 85, 95, 95 to 100, 91, 90 to 95, 72, 72 is, 70 to 75, right? 70 to 75, 93 will be 90 to 95, 80 will be 80 to 85, 81 will be 80 to 85, 92 will be 90 to 95, 86 will be 85 to 90, 89, 85 to 90, 88, 85 to 90, 84, 80 to 85, 88, 85 to 90, 84, 80 to 85, 82, 80 to 85, 90, 90 to 95, 88, 85 to 90, 92, 90 to 95, 87, 85 to 90, again 87, 85 to 90, 82, 80 to 85, 76, 75 to 80, 97, 95 to 100, 78, 75 to 80, 101, 100 to 105, 81, 80 to 85, 93, 93 is 90 to 95, 83, 80 to 85, 87, 85 to 90, 103, 100 to 105, 99, 95 to 100, 98, 90 to 95, 82, 80 to 85, 94, 90 to 95. Okay, so we completed the tally bar. Okay, I believe what we have done is correct. Okay, so okay, if I have done any mistake, so please forgive me for that, and you all do correctly. Okay, so let's write 1, 3. Actually, I have done a mistake here. Okay, so 90 to 100, no, there are 4 numbers actually. Let's see, 95 to 100. 95 to 100, 1 is here. Okay, 2, 3, 4. So actually 95 to 100 there are 4 numbers, and 90 to 95 there are 7 numbers. Okay, so I made a mistake. You all don't make these kind of mistakes. Okay, okay, so 70 to 75, one student got 70 to 75. From 3 students got 75 to 80 marks, and then 12 students got 90 to 85, and then 11 students got between 85 to 90, and then 7 students got between 90 to 95, 4 students got between 95 to 100, and 2 students got between 100 to 105. When you total it, it will be 40. It's not actually students, the wages. Okay, one person gets wages between 90 to 70, 70 to 75. 3 people get wages between 70 to 8, 75 to 80, and so on. Okay, and this is how you do frequency distribution. You make frequency distribution table. Okay, now we are going to make one inclusive class. Okay, present the following data. The marks of 60 students from frequency distribution of 10 class of equal width, one class being 40 to 49. Okay, you are supposed to make 10 class of equal width. So equal width means, and one class is 40 to 49. That means you are making class of 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Indirectly, they have asked you to make inclusive class. This kind of problems will not come in your exam. This is only for practice purpose. These are the basics, so that when you solve the full-fledged problem, you know what you're doing. Okay, so I have prepared 10 class with equal width, and one of the classes 40 to 49. Okay, there are 60 students. Let's start. I want all my students to do along with me. Okay, so first number is 41. So 40 to 49, 67, 60 to 69, 36, 30 to 39, 42, 40 to 49, 63, 60 to 69, 72, 70 to 79, 17, 10 to 19, 82, 80 to 89, 52, 93, 52, 93. Then 11, 10 to 19, 53, 50 to 59, 83, 80 to 89, 33, 32, 33, 32, 43, 35, 92, 63, 44, 63, 44, 75, 75, 80, 82, 88, 84, 80, 82, 88, 84, 57, 60, 57, 60, 3, 10, 62, 92, 49, 33, 32, 23, 55, 16, 34, 9, 57, 0, 60, 58, 73, 79, 67, 41, 33, 70, 54, 28, 24, 60, 40, 6, 63, 30, 64, 32, 57. Okay. Now let's complete the table. 4 students got between 0 to 9. 4 students got between 10 to 19. 3, 10, 7, 8, 20, not 20, sorry, it's 10. 5, 6, 3. Okay. And when you total this, there are marks of 60 students. So the total of frequency should be 60. Okay. So this is a inclusive class where you include 0 as well as 9. Let's see the next table. Here given below the heights in centimeters of the students of a class. Form a frequency distribution with inclusive class with the width of 5 centimeter. So you are supposed to make inclusive class with the width of 5 centimeter. Okay. Okay. So if you observe the numbers, it starts from 140. 140 is the lowest number. Just make sure there is no number which is less than 140. So I don't see any number which is less than 140. And we have to see the width of the class is 5 centimeter. So 140 to 144 is 5 centimeter. Okay. 140, see 140, 141, 142, 143 and 144. So there are 5, the width is 5 centimeter. Okay. So the width means, now here width means 90 to 99 is the width. Okay. So the width of the class. So the class is 140 to 144. The width is 5 centimeter. So with this width, because it is inclusive class, we are supposed to make frequency distribution table. Okay. So 144 to 140 to 144, then 145 to 149, 150 to 154, 155 to 159, 160 to 164, 165 to 169, 170 to 174. I think 174 is the biggest number. Okay. You have to make sure which is the biggest number and which is the smallest number, so that accordingly you can make the width. And this kind of questions will not come in the exam. Okay. You will not be asked to make frequency distribution table, only so that you understand from where we get frequency and how you make a frequency distribution table. We are doing this only for understanding purpose. Okay. Now let's complete the table. Okay, so first number is 162. So 162 is 160 to 164. Then 170. 170 is 170 to 174. 165. 165 to 169. 145. 145 to 149. 155. 150. 140. 153. 158. 169. 166, 158, 168, 149, 151, 142, 142, okay, 164, 158, it is 158, not 168, sorry, 158, okay, then 161, 163, 160, 157, 152, 148, 153, 164, 160, 167, 171, 146, 161, 163, 158, 167, 178, 174, 168, 152, 156, 162, 164. Okay. So now let us write the frequency. So the frequency is 2, 4, 6, 7, 11, 7 and 3. The total has to be okay, number of students are not given, so please add up. 4 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 12, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 7 plus 11 plus 7 plus 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25. There are 40 students. Okay, so n is equal to 40. Total of frequency is n. You denote by n, okay, or you can say number of items or number of students. So n is number of items or total of frequency, it's one and the same thing. Okay, so now we will see cumulative frequency distribution when less than is given. Okay, now here you are supposed to make cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency distribution, that is not important actually. The thing is, in the table it is given less than 10, less than 20, less than 30. It's given like this. So less than 10 means 0 to 10 will be less than 10. Students who got less than 10 marks. So 2 students got less than 10. That means 0 to 10 is 2. Okay, less than 20 means 0 to 20 students got less than 20 marks, means 8 students got between 0 to 20. Okay, less than 30 means 0 to 30. 0 to 30 marks who got between 0 to 30 are 16 students. It's like this. Less than 40 means 0 to 40 students. Okay, but this is not the way to make class. You are supposed to make class, and you have to make frequency also. So when you make a class, okay, so my class is marks and frequency. Okay, so my marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. I'm supposed to make like this. Okay, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70, because the last number is less than 70. Nobody got more than 70. Okay, so 60 to 70. So my two columns will be marks and frequency. Okay, so two students got between 0 to 10. So marks 0 to 10 will be 2. The frequency will be 2. Now 8 students got between 0 to 20. Out of 8 students, 2 students got 0 to 10. That means remaining 6 students got between 10 to 20. Correct? So 10 to 20 will be 8 minus 2, which is 6. So frequency will be 6. I am repeating again. Okay. Now less than 10. So number of students who got less than 10 are 2 students. There are 2 students who got less than 10 marks. Okay, that means these students got between 0 to 10. Now when I say less than 20, 8 students got less than 20. 8 students got less than 20 means 8 students got marks between 0 to 20. But I don't want frequency of 0 to 20. I want frequency of 10 to 20. Correct? So 8 students got 0 to 20. I don't want that. I want 10 to 20. Out of 8 students, 2 students got 0 to 10. Marks between 0 to 10. So out of 8 students, 2 students got between 0 to 10. That means remaining 6 students got between 10 to 20. Okay. So 6 students got between 10 to 20. So whenever in the table less than or more than is given, so what this is not frequency. Okay, this is cumulative frequency. Okay, so in that case, whenever it is less than, in that case first number you will write as it is. So 0 to 10 will be 2. From the second number you will start writing difference, that is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, next number from 20 to 30 you will write 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, which is 8. So this 16 less than 30. So 16 students got less than 30. That means 16 students got between 0 to 30. We don't want 0 to 30. We want 20 to 30. How many students got between 20 to 30? We want that. Correct? So in that case what you will do is, this 8 is 0 to 20, right? So out of 16 students, 8 students got between 0 to 20. Okay, so remaining 8 got between 20 to 30 marks. So whenever in the table less than is given. The detail given is not frequency. You have to find the frequency. Okay. So in that case, first number you will write as it is, which is 2. From second number you will start writing the difference. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Then 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 36 minus 16 is 20, no? Okay, 20. 36 minus 16 is 20. Then 43 minus 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. Then 48 minus 43. 48 minus 43 is 5. And then 50 minus 48. 50 minus 48 will be 2. So this is how you write frequency. So the frequency is 2, 6, 8, 20, 7, 5 and 2. When you total it, it becomes 50, the last number. Okay. So whenever less than in the question, less than is mentioned, what you will do, first number you will write as it is. First number you will write as it is. From second number you will start writing the difference. Okay. So 8 minus 2, 16 minus 8, 36 minus 16, 43 minus 36, 48 minus 43 and 50 minus 48. So my frequency is 2, 6, 8, 27, 5 and 2. And this is what you were supposed to find. Okay. So whenever less than is given, this is how you will write the frequency. Okay. We will be solving a lot of problems on this. Now only you need to understand. Okay. Now in case of more than, what you will do? Now this is more than 0, more than 10, more than 20. More than 0 means 0 to 10. Okay. More than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. More than 80 means something which is more than 80. So 80 to 90 should be my next frequency. Okay. Now here more than 0 and here there is more than 80. So the difference here is 10. So I have made class interval of 10 numbers. The width is 10 because the difference is 10. Okay. So now more than 0 means all the students got more than 0. There are 100 students. All the students got more than 0. Okay. Now in case of more than, what you will do is you will write the last number as it is and then you will start writing the difference. Okay. So more than 80. So 80 to 90 will be 1 and then 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5. 17 minus 8 is 9. So 9. 47 minus 17 is 30. Okay. Then 72 minus 47, 25. 89 minus 72, 17. 97 minus 89 is 8 and 100 minus 97 is 3. So I don't know why this is happening. Okay, this is how you make whenever more than is given, last number you will write as it is and then you will start writing the difference. Okay, so first number, so more than 0 means 0 to, now here it is more than 80. More than 80, I'll keep it 80 to 90. Okay, so more than 80 means 0 to 90. So 0 to 90, all the students got between 0 to 90. That is more than 0. More than 10 means students who got 10 to 90. Okay, that is 97 students got 10 to 90. So how many students got 0 to 10? If 90 out of 100 students, 97 students got between 10 to 90, that means remaining 3 students got 0 to 10. So that's why 0 to 10 will be 3. Okay, so instead of it is very good if you understand the logic, but if you cannot understand the logic, you can just keep in mind that whenever it is more than, okay, the last number you will write as it is and then you will start writing the difference from down. Okay, in case of less than, first number you will write as it is and then you will start writing the difference. Okay, so whenever more than or less than is given, you have to make class interval like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and start writing the frequency. Frequency will never be given in more than and less than sum. You have to compute frequency by writing the difference. Okay, in case of less than, first number you will write as it is and then you will start writing the difference. In case of more than, last number you will write as it is and then you write the difference. Okay, there's one more sum. Less than is given, okay, and frequency is given. Whenever whenever less than is given, the numbers which is given is not frequency, it is always cumulative frequency. Okay, so here the numbers are less than 5, less than 10, so you can see the difference is 5, right? So my class will be less than 5 means 0 to 5, less than 10 means it is actually 0 to 10, but I want to make a class interval, so 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 16. How I decided my class interval should be of the width 5? Because the difference 5 to 10 is, the difference is 5, 10 to 15 the difference is 5. So I decided my class interval has to be with the width 5. Okay. So my class interval will be 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. Okay. So in case of less than, first number you write as it is. So my frequency will be 8. And from the second number, I start writing the difference. So 26 minus 8. 26 minus 8 is how much? (26 minus 8 is 18), right? Then 52 minus 26. 52 minus 26 is 26. Then 82 minus 52. 82 minus 52 is 30. Then 132 minus 82. 132 minus 82 is 50. Then 60 minus 32. 60 minus 32 is 28. Then 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is 20. And then 189 minus 180, which is 9. 196 minus 189, 7. And 200 minus 196, which is 4. So you have made a frequency distribution table when less than is given. Okay, and less than is given, remember the first number you will write as it is, and then you will start writing the difference, and make sure your class interval is not wrong. Okay, less than 5. So less than 5 means 0 to 5. Correct? Less than 50. So 0 to 50. So less than, that means 50 should be the biggest number. Okay. So when you total the frequency, it has to be 200 because total number of students are 200. Got it? Similarly, let's solve more than. Okay. It is more than 0, more than 5, more than 10, more than 15, and so on. Okay. In case of more than, so biggest, more than 45. More than 45 means 45 to 50. Because there are numbers which are more than 45. Okay. Now more than 0. More than 0 means 0 to 5. This is my class. And frequency. Okay, more than 0 because the difference is 5. So my width of the class is 5. So my class intervals will be 0 to 5, more than 5. That means 5 to 10, more than 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. So now in this case, in case of more than, last number I will write as it is, and then I will start writing the difference. Correct? So my frequency is 4. Okay, for 40 to 45. Then 11 minus 4. How much is 11 minus 4? 11 minus 4 is 7. Then 20 minus 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Then 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20 is 20. 68 minus 40. 68 minus 40 is 28. And then 118 minus 68. 118 minus 68 is 50. Then 148 minus 118. It is 30. 174 minus 148. It is 26. Okay. Then 192 minus 174. That is 18. Then 200 minus 192, which is 8. So when you total this, it has to be the first number of more than table, which is 200. Okay. In case of less than, the last number and the total is same. In case of more than, the first number and the total will be same. Okay. So if more than is given, you have to make a frequency distribution table like this. Class and frequency. Okay. So in case of more than and less than, the class is also not given and frequency is also not given. You have to compute. Okay. How do you compute class? The width is the difference between 2 more than which is given. Okay, and frequency is the difference of the frequency which is already given. Okay, this is very important for your exam point of view, because in the problems most of the time the class and frequency is not given. They usually give more than and less than, and you have to make the frequency distribution table. So we'll practice 2 more problems. Okay, and then we'll start the chapter. We have not started the chapter yet, we are still doing the basic. Okay, so this is your homework problem. Okay, I want you all to solve by yourself. Less than 4, frequency given is 6. For less than 4 it is 6. Actually this is not frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Okay, less than 4 6, less than 8 15, less than 12 25, less than 16 40, less than 20 60, less than 24 68, less than 28 75, less than 32 80. And similarly for more than, I want you all to solve this. Above 20, above 40, above and more than is one and the same thing. Okay, above 20 60, above 40 57, above 60 52, above 80 43, above 100 28, above 120 16, above 149, above 164. Okay, these are the 2 problems. These are your homework problems. That's it for the day, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Please do solve.